I'm not much of a baker, but these coconut macaroons have never failed me. Egg whites, shredded coconut, sugar, vanilla extract, and some salt. Can't get any easier than that. Recipe is in my subscription and membership page. The most technical part of this recipe is that you have to whip the egg whites to stiff peaks. Then you just mix everything together, and I like to use an ice cream scoop to get the perfect cookies. Throw them into a 325-degree oven until they're slightly golden brown on the outside. It's now 11 o'clock at night. I finished all my prep for the day, and we'll get back to it tomorrow morning. Okay, good morning. It's 7 a.m. and look at those tired eyes. First thing I need is coffee. There's no getting around that. I will have a caffeine headache for the whole day if I don't drink this. Our coconut macaroons cooled overnight, so now I'm just drizzling it with some chocolate. Halfway through, I realized a piping bag was the way to go, so I will only serve the pretty ones. Then I threw some rice noodles into a bowl of water to get those soaking. Now I'm making the pad thai sauce, and it's a beautiful mix of sweet, sour, and savory.